Hannah, are you going to wear your dress tomorrow for Nanny? Yes. 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 Of course she's not doing it now. Yes. You giggling? Were 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 you giggling? Giggles? 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 Giggles?
Just zoomed in a bit.
Okay. Are you giggling for Mommy? Are you giggling? Are you giggling? Yes, you're a good girl.